Your car's best witness is a dash cam, but not just any dash cam. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best 4K dash cams that give you crystal clear footage, day or night, and the peace of mind you deserve. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I cover the best tech and car gadgets that deliver great value without compromising quality. In this video, we're breaking down the top 4K dash cams you can get right now. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. AZDOME M300S 4K dash cam. The AZDOME M300S records in true 4K for the front camera and includes a rear camera for full coverage. It features 5.8G Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, voice control, WDR night vision, and comes with a free 64GB SD card. Customer reviews. Drivers love the clarity of both front and rear footage, even in low light. The built-in GPS is a favorite for tracking exact locations during trips or incidents. Pros: 4K front plus rear recording, 5.8G Wi-Fi for fast file transfer, GPS with route tracking, voice control for hands-free use, free 64GB SD card included. Number 2. 4K plus 1080p dash cam. This dash cam captures 4K front footage and 1080p rear footage simultaneously. It offers Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS logging, night vision, and a sleek dual-lens design. Customer reviews. Many reviewers praise its smooth Wi-Fi transfer to mobile devices and the crisp video detail that makes license plates easy to read. Pros: 4K plus 1080p dual recording, GPS location data, night vision clarity, easy Wi-Fi connectivity, compact dual-lens setup. Number 3. 4K GPS Wi-Fi Mini Dash Cam. This compact model still packs 4K front and rear recording, GPS, Wi-Fi, and 24-hour parking mode. Its small footprint makes it discreet and less noticeable inside the vehicle. Customer reviews. Users like how it blends into the car interior while still capturing high-quality footage. The parking monitor is also praised for catching incidents when the car is off. Pros: 4K front plus rear coverage, GPS and Wi-Fi features, compact, discreet design, 24-hour parking mode. Number 4. Soam 4K plus 1080p dash cam. Featuring a 3-inch IPS screen, this dash cam records in 4K front and 1080p rear, has Wi-Fi, an easy-to-use mobile app, WDR night vision, and a 24-hour parking monitor. Customer reviews. Owners highlight its user-friendly interface and how quickly they can review footage on the IPS display. The WDR night vision is especially good for late-night driving. Pros: 4K plus 1080p dual recording, 3-inch IPS display, WDR night vision, 24-hour parking monitoring, mobile app for easy viewing. Number 5. 10.26-inch portable dash cam. This is more than just a dash cam. It's a 10.26-inch portable car stereo with built-in 4K plus 1080p dash cam recording, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Perfect for upgrading both your infotainment and safety. Customer reviews. Drivers love that they can get both a smart car display and a high-quality dash cam in one device. Many mention how easy it is to install without replacing the factory system. Pros: 4K plus 1080p recording, large 10.26-inch display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, combines entertainment and safety, easy installation. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our top 5 best 4K dash cams. Each one offers crystal clear recording, smart features, and added peace of mind for every drive. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more car tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which dash cam you'd put in your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.